Assalamualaikum student, I am Dr. Sidra and today my topic is on the ecosystem concept. Ecosystem, A.J. Stanley 1935 proposed the term ecosystem. An ecosystem is a functional unit comprising all the organisms in a particular place interacting with one another and with their physical environment and interconnected by an ongoing flow of energy and a cycling of materials. An ecosystem can be visualized as a functional unit of nature. All ecosystems are open systems in the sense that energy and matter are transferred in and out. An ecosystem could be of any size depending on the community to be studied, and its boundaries can be either real or arbitrary. Ecosystem concept. Ecosystems consist of various non-living abiotic and all living biotic components. The biotic components of an ecosystem include various physical and chemical factors. The physical factors having the greatest effect on the ecosystem are light, temperature, precipitation, air, soil, fire, and water. The chemical factors are pH, salinity, nutrients, content, moisture content, amount of toxin substance, and the level of dissolved oxygen. Organisms that make up the biotic components of an ecosystem are usually classified as autotrophs and heterotrophs based on how they get their foods or organic nutrients they need to survive. Autotrophs. Autotrophs are organisms that can manufacture the organic compounds they need as nutrients from a simple inorganic compound obtained from their environment. They are the ultimate source of organic compounds for all the non-autotrophic organisms. For this reason, biologists refer to autotrophs as the producer of the biosphere. There are two kinds of autotrophs, photoautotrophs and chemoautotrophs. Most of the autotrophs are photoautotrophs and make their organic nutrients they need through photosynthesis. In most terrestrial ecosystems, green plants are the primary producers. In aquatic ecosystems, most of the primary producers and phytoplankton consist of various species of floating and drifting bacteria and protists. Some autotrophs, mostly specialized bacteria, can extract inorganic compounds from the environment and convert them into organic nutrients compound without using sunlight. These autotrophs are called chemotrophs. Heterotrophs. Heterotrophs are organisms which cannot synthesize the organic nutrients they need and get them by feeding on the tissue of producers or other consumers. Fungi, animals, and most bacteria are heterotrophs. Heterotrophs can be classified into consumers and decomposers. Consumers are organisms such as animals that feed on producers and other consumers. There are several classes of consumers depending on their food sources: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and detritivores. Detritus are the dead bodies and waste product of living and once living organisms or simply decomposing organic material. Earthworms are a well-known example of detritivores, also known as detritivores or detritus feeders. Some detritus feeders, such as dung beetles, eat fleas. Consumers can also be classified into primary, secondary, and tertiary consumers based on the feeding levels or trophic level. Primary consumers feed on the producers and belong to the second trophic level. The secondary consumers feed only on primary consumers and they belong to the third trophic level. The producers belong to the first trophic level. Some heterotrophs consumes the dead organic matter and in doing so carried out the natural process of decomposition, and they are known as decomposers. Both decomposers and detritivores derive the nutrition from dead organic matter. The difference is that detritivores actually eat the organic matter and decomposers secrete enzymes to digest the organic matter and then absorb the resulting molecules like bacteria and fungi do. Important points. Other commonly used terms: Phagotrophs, a heterotrophic organism that obtain nutrients through the ingestion of solid organic matter. Osmotrophs, a heterotrophic organism that obtain its nutrients by absorbing organic matter present in solution. Parasite, a heterotrophic organism that obtain its nutrients from living biomass. Saprotrophs, a heterotrophic organism that obtain its nutrients from non-living organisms, organic matter usually dead and decaying plants or animal matter by absorbing soluble organic compounds. Thanks for listening.